This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace canister purge valve on 2017 Ford Escape. Start by parking on level ground, applying the parking brake, and wearing gloves and eye protection. Relieve fuel system pressure and disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching any fuel lines or electrical connectors. Work calmly, keep parts organized, and test for leaks after installation. I will walk you through each step clearly and keep things simple and practical. In this video, I will show how to replace canister purge valve on 2017 Ford Escape. First, collect tools and safety gear, and make sure you have the correct valve for your engine. Identify the valve location near the throttle body and charcoal canister with the engine cool. Keep fasteners in a labeled tray and take photos of hose routing to avoid mistakes. I will guide you through safe removal and correct reinstallation so your Escape runs right. In this video, I will show how to replace canister purge valve on 2017 Ford Escape. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated on the driveway with the Owala water bottle. It seals tight and fits cup holders, which makes wrenching more pleasant. If you like this tip in the video, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful car repair guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace canister purge valve on 2017 Ford Escape. Begin by unplugging the valve connector and loosening hose clamps, then remove the valve mounting bolt and extract the old unit. Fit the new valve in the same orientation, tighten the mounting bolt to snug, and reattach hoses and the electrical connector securely. Reconnect the battery, start the engine, and verify the check engine light is off and there are no fuel odors or leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.